If you're experiencing account sync issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve sync issues. Press and hold the power button until the console turns off, then turn it back on after a few seconds. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System Software, and select System Software Update in Settings to check for updates. Step 4. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help resolve various issues. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Step 5. Sign out and sign back in. If the issue persists, try signing out of your PlayStation Network account and signing back in. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, select your account, and choose Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in to refresh the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.